SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which generally is genuinely huge. SLP in a real sense faces obstruction at $0.003, which certainly is very huge. Smooth love mixture truly is buy esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the in a real sense bears in a real sense has been laid out at $0.003.02 July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through in every way that really matters. Smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these as often as possible. For the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts. What for the most part is certainly transient cost expectation for truly smooth love mixture. Basically is SLP a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture support and obstruction levels and so forth, which explicitly is very critical. Yet, prior to plunging profound into the SLP specialized examination, really let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations, sort of additional appearance. How SLP truly faces obstruction at $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172, which explicitly is very huge. The in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $24,077,659,794. Most certainly further appearance how SLP sort of countenances opposition at $0.003, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33% in a significant manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%. Showing how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a downfall of 0.19%, or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time period, which sort of is very huge. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1.54. And as of now exchanging at 48 cents in a really significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market truly is going in an especially descending course for in every practical sense, present moment. Which basically shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span, or so they truly thought. As of now, an exceptionally broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, pretty further appearance how moreover. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers sort of become kind of more genuinely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially is very critical. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which vendors by and large move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Truly further appearance. How the sort of complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $24,077,659,794, fundamentally further appearance. How SLP truly faces opposition at $0.003 in a sort of huge manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of sort of smooth love elixir, SLP, sort of smooth love mixture execution. The everyday graph of sort of smooth love elixir basically shows that the SLP cost, all things considered, has an in every way that really matters, descending development with a 1.18%. Lessening in commonly beyond 24 hours, which basically shows that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,195,617,921,172, which especially is genuinely huge. The value worth of the sort of smooth love elixir, SLP coin especially, is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, which generally is genuinely critical. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume fundamentally is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars. So SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, or so they certainly thought. Smooth love mixture value investigation SLP cost examination for 02 July 2023. Inside a sort of day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of underneath, or so they truly thought. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the truly smooth love mixture in a truly significant manner explicitly. The fundamentally relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI truly is at 34. Truly further appearance how the overall strength list, RSI, shows that the SLP coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI sort of is at 34 in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to essentially hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday diagram, which sort of shows that Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, while SLP's Williams %R marker most certainly is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal explicitly is conceivable at this reach, which basically shows that while SLP's Williams %R pointer truly is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange in every practical sense. Signal by and large is by and large conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious manner.